This video is to show you girls with a bob how to give it a bit of life. We're in my house today and the first thing I want to show you is my new bit of kit, the rose gold lanai. How amazing does this look? Claire's hair is super soft, so we're going to spray in Pli by Techniart. I can use quite a lot of this, like it's a good setting lotion. It really firms the hair up, but it doesn't make it sticky. This is one of Fashion Week's favourites for setting the model's hair. Blast the hair off to get rid of all the excess moisture. Then when we start blow drying, we're going to bring this all forwards. One of my favourite things to do. I know I do it in a lot of videos, but I'll show you why later on. Skip to when that's all done. You don't need to watch me dry it all. Just make sure it's all nice and smooth. You've got a nice glossy shine on this. Because we're going to create a lot of texture, you really want to make sure the blow dry is smooth and glossy to start with. If it's too rough dried and too fluffy, the curls are going to look dry and fluffy.
I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home.
Part the hair in the direction that you want it to go in. I'm leaving this a bit further over than we want the parting to sit, just that when I brush it all through, it looks a bit more textured through the top and you don't have such a straight parting.
Let me waste your time, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time.
You can see here I don't want the curl to be bouncy, like I want it to be longer and flatter and textured. So I'm doing the old twist and drop. Twist your tongs round, drop it out, twist it round, drop it out. Don't keep going round and round and round and creating a little piglet curl. Also, if you notice, one curl I'm doing to the left, the next to the right.
I just let you beat me, looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me, in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go.
I'm going to slow this one down so it's a bit clearer.
Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time.
Take your small section, tongs in, twist round, drop out, twist round, drop out, twist round, drop out. Keep going no matter what length your hair is until you get to the end.
For your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk.
Now once you've done that all over the head and done every bit of hair, you should look like this. Great, right?
This is a no-go, I just can't take hold.
Make sure you have your hairspray at the ready. I always choose to use L'Oreal Infinium. It's lightweight, it's brushable. It's my favourite hairspray. Grab a big paddle brush, brush through, don't worry about the curls, they've been in long enough, they'll be firm enough after our Pli spray earlier. Now shake out, get your hands in there, lift the layers up, get that spray in, stick some of these curls back together in a more messy, textured way, and ta-da! How gorgeous does this look? Work it, Claire. Forget my thumbs up and hit subscribe for future videos.